Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is June the 28th, and this little piece of romaine lettuce has been in water now for 24 hours. I had salad last night and I cut off the little end and I put it in water around the same time that I'm filming this right now. So it's about 24 hours. And if you look at this really carefully, you can actually see there's a little bit of growth happening right here. And that there is going to start pushing leaves. So I'm just going to give it a little spin. I thought what I would do is, instead of posting this video, every, couple of days, I'm just going to film one today and then I'll film one tomorrow or whenever, or maybe like the second day from now, and give you kind of like a little time lapse. So anyway, we can see, so freshly cut, and there's just a little bit of growth. And by the way, when you do this, just slice off a tiny bit on the bottom, just so that water is able to get back into the base. And every day, change your water. So there we go. So this is 24 hours, and that's it. So on to the next video. I'll come back when there's a little bit more growth, maybe tomorrow. So here we are at the 48-hour mark, and so we're on day number 2 now. And I'll just lift this up, and now you can see a lot more growth has happened. And you can see that the little leaves, they're really starting to push. So this here is day 2, 48 hours. So here we are again. This is at the 72-hour mark, or day 3. And let's just take a little look here, and you can see quite a bit of growth now. And there we go. Here we are again, another 24 hours later. This is up to the 96-hour mark, or this is day 4. I'll just give it a little bit of a spin, and you can see some nice progress going on. And that looks awesome. So there we go, 4 days of growth. And here we are again. So I skipped a day, and now we are at day 6. So this is the end of the day. And there we go. So this is day 6 here. And let's just spin that around, and you can see some really nice progress happening. So there we go. So here we are again. I did not film for quite a number of days, and today is day 12. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plant this in some soil. But I'll just give a little bit of a spin here so you can see the progress. And it's coming along really well, but at this point I really do need to get this into soil so that we can get some better growth happening. But there we go. So that's day 12. So I just thought I would shoot this on video. So we are still day 12, and at this point I'm going to plant the little piece of lettuce. So I've just got some garden soil in here, and I'm going to get it in there and just cover it up. That's pretty good. And there we go. And here we are, the 16th of August, so over a month later. And I just wanted to finish the video here just showing you how large this plant has become. So this is our romaine lettuce that we started off from, that little piece right there. And you can see how tall this is. I'd say it's over 2 feet tall. But there we go, from the bottom all the way to the top. So there we have it. So that's it, the little journey of the romaine lettuce from the beginning to the ending. So that's it. Thanks for watching.